Hi, in this video lecture I am going to teach you how to trace different complex curves in complex plane, and further we will see how to locate inner or outer point on that argand plane. So let's start. Here we have a question, but we are not going to solve the question. Our target is to trace this curve and locate its inner and outer points. So let's start. Since this curve is mod z is equal to 2.5, so let's analyze this. Mod z, since the value of z is mod x plus iy, therefore it is mod x plus iy is equal to 2.5. And by the definition of mod of x plus iy, let's check. All right, so it is mod x plus iy is equal to 2.5, and by the definition of mod it is root over x square plus y square, and on squaring both the sides, uh, it is x square plus y square is equal to 2.5 whole square. So it is the equation of circle whose center is 0 0 and radius is 2.5. So let's trace the curve. So we will make a rough sketch and check the poles. Z is equal to 1. How to find poles? By keeping the denominator is equal to 0, we can find its all poles. So it has 3 poles. At Z is equal to 3, pole of order 1, at z is equal to 2, pole of order 1, and at z is equal to 1, it has pole of order 4. So we will check poles are inside or outside. So first we make a circle whose center is 0 0 and radius is equal to 2.5, which is mod z is equal to 2.5. So let's make a rough sketch. So we are drawing a circle. It's a rough sketch. A circle, all right, whose center is 0 0 and radius is what? Radius is 2.5. So this is the center of the circle, which is 0 0. All right, next we will see uh, z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1 can be written as 1 plus iota into 0 in complex form. Therefore it is the point 1 comma 0. Z is equal to 1 means the point 1 0. So since it has radius 2.5, therefore this must be the point 1 0. So therefore this is the point Z is equal to 1. So it is an inside point. Next is the point Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2 can be written in complex form 2 plus iota into 0. So it is the point 2 0. Since the circle has radius 2.5, therefore the point 2 0 should be here. So this will be the point Z is equal to 2. So Z is equal to 2 is also an inside point. And next is Z is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3 means 3 plus I 0, which is 3 0. So since the radius is 2.5, so this is the point 30, which is z is equal to 3. Therefore, the point z is equal to 3 does not belong to the curve mod z is equal to 2.5, and therefore it is an outer point. So this is how can we trace a complex curve and how can we locate its inner and outer points. Let's solve one more question. So we will see one more question. So let's try to solve this question. From this question, we will learn how to trace the curves. There are various curves, and later we will find its inner and outer poles. So our target is to trace the curve and finding its inner and outer points only. We are not going to solve all the questions since the questions have been already solved. So this video is exclusive for how to trace the complex curves and how to locate the various points, whether they are inside points or outside points. So we will solve some more questions. All right. So so let's try to this curve. It is a circle whose center is 0 0 and radius is 1. So we have already discussed this type of curve, so I am leaving this. Now we will discuss this. Mod z plus 1 minus I is equal to 2. Since the value of z is x plus iy, it is x plus iy plus 1 minus I. Mod is equal to 2. Now uh, uh, when we add two complex numbers, real parts will be added and imaginary parts will be added. So it will be x plus 1 plus I into y minus 1. All right. Mod is equal to 2. Now when we take mod, it will be root over x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2. And when we square on both sides, it will be it is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1, alright, whole square is equal to 2. And on squaring, it will be a circle. So it is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 square. So when we compare it with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, it's a circle whose center is minus 1 1. So its center is minus 1 1. In it has radius is 2. So it's a circle whose center is minus 1 1 and radius is 2. So we will make a rough sketch. All right. So its center is minus 1 and the value of y is +1. So we'll try to make a rough sketch. All right. So this may be the center. Center is -1, 1. So this is the center, and its radius is 2. So it has radius 2. So we will make a circle. We'll try to make a circle like this. It's a circle whose center is -1, 1, and radius is how much? Radius is 2. So this is the circle, and let's check the points. So we have to solve this equation. Z square plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0. So either we have to make factors, or we have to use the formula minus b plus minus b square, that is 4, minus 4 into a into c, that is minus 20, by 2a. So it will be minus 16, which is plus minus 4i. So it is now minus 2 plus minus 4i by 2. So it will be minus 1 plus minus 2i. So let's locate the points. This is minus 1 comma 2, and 1 is minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 should be points. So this is the point -1 minus this point should be the -1 plus 2i, and here should be the point -1 minus 2i. Therefore we can see that -1 plus 2i is a point which is inside the circle, and -1 minus 2i is outside the circle. So this is how can we make a rough sketch of any complex curves, and how can we locate its inner and outer points. So this is all about how to sketch complex curves. Thank you.